Hello dear friends, in this video I would be discussing a new feature of GoFormative, that is how to edit whiteboard and how to clone your GoFormative assignment that you can share with your friends who are teaching the same subjects. So let's start. So first of all I would like to discuss the whiteboard option. This option is very useful when you want to give the question in multiple lines. As you know that in Google Form there is no option to write the question in multiple lines, and sometimes it creates problem when you want to write in other lines. So here we have option of whiteboard in which we can type our question, we can insert image, or we can type the text in multiple lines. So how can we take a whiteboard? Suppose you want to give a question that to be written in multiple line. You will click on the plus symbol and here you will select the option whiteboard. Here I have already taken a whiteboard. So after taking a whiteboard, you will click on the edit whiteboard option. Here you can see I have typed my question. So how can you type your question? You will click on this T, that is for text, and then you will click the cursor on the screen where you want to type. Then you will get the cursor and you can start typing like this. Okay, after typing the question in multiple lines, you can just click on this right button to close the whiteboard. Suppose you want to insert an image too along with your typed question. So what can you do? You will click on the insert image and here go to my computer or Google Drive where your image is stored. So I have taken this image. Suppose I want to give this image along with that typed question. So I have selected it and click on the open. After little processing, I will click on the add image button and the image will be added to the GoFormative. So in this way you can insert an image along with your typed question. Suppose your image is wrong or you want to delete the image. So how can you do it? You will just select the image, take the select from here and select the image. Then click on the delete button. This delete button will delete the image from the text. Okay, or you want to delete all the content, then you need to click on this eraser button. It will erase all the content. You can see. We can bring it back by using the undo button. So after completing your task, just click on this right button and your work will be saved. So this is the way we can make use of whiteboard to assign the multiple line question to the student. The other feature that is very important and useful is how to clone your GoFormative assignment. Suppose the teachers teaching the same subject want to share the GoFormative assignment with one another. How can they do it? So here I am telling the way. How can you give the copy of your GoFormative assignment to other teachers who are teaching the same subjects? So this is my assignment that I have prepared, and then click on this these three dots and here you will get the option share. Click on this option and here you will see this URL. Okay, now what you need to do, you will click here and copy this URL to the clipboard. Now you can copy the URL anywhere where you want, and you can share this URL with your friends using WhatsApp or simple messaging or any other way you desire. So suppose I have shared this URL with someone and this is my another account and I am using this URL here. Here I want to show you that how your other colleague will make the copy of this assignment in their GoFormative account. So here I have pasted this URL and click on the enter button. He will get the message, do you wish to add a copy of formative revision chapter and shared by this one to your formative collection? So what your friend need to do, he or she will click on the clone button and just after pressing the clone button, that formative assignment will be copied here in your account. So this is the way you can share the copy of formative assignment with your friends. So they can use it as it is or they can use it with some correction, some addition. So these are the two features that I wanted to discuss. Hope you would like my video. Thanks for watching and this is all for today. Bye bye.